how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious toffee popcorn. It's scrumdiddlyumptious and a great snack for all those movies that we've been watching in lockdown. So here we go, and I'll show you how. Okay, so I've got my popcorn maker here. I've got the popcorn in there, and I'll just turn it on and I'm going to make some popcorn. So in this saucepan I have 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water. I put the water in first and then the sugar, so none of the sugar is on the edge of the saucepan. I'm just going to turn it on and I'm going to wait till it reaches 121 degrees Celsius or hard boil stage or golden brown colour. So I'll come back then. So I'll come back in about 10 minutes and it should be ready.
Should start to smell the caramelization of the sugar and the water.
Okay, now it's reached 120 degrees and nice and golden. It's been 8 minutes. I'm just going to pour it on to the popcorn that I've already popped, and then I'm going to give it a mix. You have to be extremely careful with this toffee because it's so hot. And then I'm just pouring it all over, and you want to get it everywhere, and then I'm going to give it a mix. And then you just have to let it stand for 5 minutes. And then it'll be nice and ready for you to eat. Okay, we've made the toffee popcorn. Now it's time to taste. I have Lando with me. So you're going to taste some, Lando?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. Listen to that crunch. Mmm. Delicious. How is it, Lando?
Good.
So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers! Mmm, yum. Mmm.
Delicious?
Okay, take the whole bowl. Bye, Lando.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.